Hey math enthusiasts! In today's video, I'm breaking down the concept of sets in just 2 minutes. Ready? Let's dive in. First off, what is a set? A set is simply a collection of distinct objects, which we call elements. Think of it as a super organized club where each member is unique. Now, how do we write sets? We use curly braces. For example, a set with elements A, B, and C is written as A, B, C. If we want to say an element X belongs to a set A, we write it as X in A. There are different types of sets. Finite sets have a limited number of elements, like A, B, C. Infinite sets, however, go on forever, like A, B, C. The empty set has no elements at all, denoted by or the empty set symbol. A singleton set has just one element, like A. If all elements of set A are also in set B, then A is a subset of B. And the universal set contains everything under consideration, denoted by U. Sets also have cool operations. Union, written as a union B, includes all elements in A or B. Intersection, A intersection B includes only elements in both A and B. Difference, a minus B, includes elements in A but not in B. And the complement of A includes everything not in A. Some special sets you should know. Natural numbers instead of counting numbers. Integers, which include whole numbers and their negatives. Rational numbers can be expressed as fractions. Real numbers cover everything on the number line. And complex numbers are of the form k plus beyond. Sets and their operations are fundamental in mathematics, forming the backbone of many complex concepts. Keep exploring, and you'll find them popping up everywhere. That's a quick rundown on sets. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more math magic. See you next time.